Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So you guys have been wondering what I do to keep my hair healthy. You guys know that I film hair videos here in my channel. Like, most of my videos are hair videos, and sometimes I test out hair tools and I have to straighten my hair and I have to put heat on my hair. And you guys sometimes are wondering, like, what am I doing? How am I able to curl my hair and straighten it and then curl it again? One thing I'm gonna say, my hair is very thick. Like, naturally my hair is super thick, which is amazing and I love that. But obviously if I put too much heat on my hair and if I damage it, you can tell, you will notice it. When I curl it, the ends are gonna be super straight. I sometimes cringe watching some videos that I have still on this channel of me like showing off my curls or like curling my hair, but the ends were so straight and damaged. Like, I don't even know how I used to upload those videos because they're very cringy. But I am very satisfied with how my hair looks right now, and I have so many good products and tips and tricks that I cannot wait to share with you guys. And I have been waiting for this moment to really test out some of these products for months, like not just 1 month, maybe like 2 months, and so I could just share them with you guys. If you're gonna buy any of the products that I mentioned today, guys, buy these, the ones that I'm gonna mention right now, because this transforms my hair. I have been using these products for about 2 months now, and wow, my hair just looks way fuller. It looks more shiny, it looks stronger. Like, oh my god, I'm like obsessed with these products. So my boyfriend's mother actually sells these products from pharmacy. These are the products. I'm going to talk about them right now. This is not sponsored. I bought this with my money. It wasn't gifted to me. Like, really, I don't get commission from this. I'm just telling you guys what I think about these products, and if I didn't like them, I wouldn't include them in here. So I'm just being honest. So she gave me samples first. She was like, try them out, they're good, they're this Turkish company, really good products. And I was like, sure, let me try it out. Guys, just with the samples, I saw such a big difference right away with my hair, and I decided to buy the big full size. And guys, oh my god, this has transformed my hair. These 3 products right here are garlic products. Like, they have garlic in them. Garlic has a lot of benefits, but I never thought about putting it on my hair, and these are just so strong and concentrated with garlic. Okay, so let me just start with the first step. So the first step is this one. This is the Pharmacy Vitalizing hair oil. So this is the garlic oil. So basically what I do is that I put about 5 pumps of this. I put this all over my hair. It smells a little bit like garlic. The oil, the shampoo and the mask don't, but the oil does smell a little bit like garlic. You massage your scalp, right? Put it all over your hair. You only need to leave this on your hair for about 30 minutes, okay? What I do is that I sleep with it, because I just feel like the more time you leave it on, the better. And then the next morning I'll wash my hair. So I'll use the garlic shampoo, which is this one right here. So I'll wash my hair with this, right, with the garlic shampoo, and then I'll go in with a hair mask. It says here to leave it for from 2 to 3 minutes, which is fine too, but I just like leaving stuff on my hair for even a little bit longer. So I leave it on my hair for like about 10 minutes. This is the first thing that I do when I go in the shower. I wash my hair, do the mask, and then I'll just, you know, shower, shave, or whatever. So this is a mask, but it also kind of works as a conditioner. So I don't have a conditioner. I mean, they don't have a garlic conditioner. I don't think that you need one because you're going to use a mask anyways, and that's going to help you detangle your hair so much. This leaves your hair so soft. These 3 products just leave your hair so soft, so shiny, and it leaves your hair ready for you to curl it or for you to straighten it. It is amazing. I'll use also my Tangle Teezer to detangle my hair when I'm in the shower, also when I get out. I feel like this is good for detangling and also for styling. I took this with me to my Dominican Republic trip. My sister loved this. She was in love with this brush. It's so gentle on your hair. I love it. So I'm gonna link this down below. I love that as well. Now when I curl my hair, I am very, you know, I try out different curly hair products, but I always go back to my favorite trio, my favorite 3 products. I just think that these products also have helped my hair look better, look healthier when I curl it. So yeah, I just love DevaCurl. I mean, guys, I know it's a little bit pricier, and stay tuned because I actually have been trying other curly hair brands, other curly hair products that I really like that are also sulfate free and paraben free. And in the following video, I will introduce a new curly hair line. Like, it's actually gonna launch the day that I post it. So stay tuned for that video that is coming up after this one. And I actually really like those curly hair products that I talk about. But guys, DevaCurl is really good. And if you can afford it, if you can just try it out, even just get the small ones, try it out. This is so worth it. This has also transformed my curls, my hair. I use the leave-in conditioner, which is this right here. And then after that, I'll use the SuperCream. This is the coconut curl styler. And this leaves your hair so soft and so bouncy. And then I'll go in with the gel. This is the ultra defining gel, and this is to define the curls. These 3 are amazing. Again, a really nice trio that I love. Also, make sure that you're on top of your haircuts. I need to get a haircut soon. It's been about 4 months since my last haircut, and I need to get another curly haircut. I fell in love with that haircut. It is so good. If you want your curls to bounce back, to kind of like come back to life, a curly haircut is amazing. I'm gonna put down below the information of the girl who did my curly haircut. She was amazing. If you're here in the Lehigh Valley, I would totally recommend Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. I would totally recommend going to her, and it was only like $35, which is like very affordable in my opinion. And after I got that haircut, my curls were just like big transformation. Anyways, let's talk about hair tools. I know you guys are wondering, why do I always say that? Like, I know you guys are wondering. I just think that you guys are wondering because I read the comments, so I'm like, okay, I always like remember the questions that you guys leave in the comments, so I try to like really incorporate all the questions in the videos. If you have any other questions, then comment down below and I will answer them. So you guys know I love my Revlon One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. Honestly, I used to be obsessed with this. I used to use this like every single week. That damages my hair. If you can stay away from the heat a little bit, do it because your hair will thank you. The Revlon, I like it. Don't overdo it. Don't use it too much because it will pull your hair. I mean, at least for me, that's what happens. I really like this, but I can't do this every week. I can't. So you guys know I upload a lot of hair tool videos in my channel. So for example, I will try to straighten my hair for a video and then use that blowout for another video. So for example, if I'm gonna straighten my hair tomorrow, I'm probably gonna make like 3 videos with that blowout just to kind of bring down a little bit the heat damage or the amount of times that I put heat on my hair. I'm gonna tell you guys my top 2 straighteners that I feel do not pull my hair. Like, some straighteners just really pull your hair and like, ugh. So my favorite one is the GHD Platinum Plus. It uses the perfect amount of heat on your hair and it does not pull your hair. Every time I use this straightener, my hair just feels and looks healthier. It looks shiny. I love this one. I love this one so much. But if you can't get this one, because I know it's pricey, it's $250, but this is the one that I always reach for and I love it. It's my favorite one. But if you can't get that one, this is a really good one. This is the TYMO 1-inch straightener. Oh my god, this is so good. And for the price, oh my god, this is $40. This is like $45. It's so good. My sister actually used this too and she loved it. She was like, wow, what straightener is that? It's really good. It doesn't pull your hair and it feels so healthy. Like, after you use it, your hair looks shiny, looks very healthy. So this is a really good one and this is very affordable. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I feel like this video is super long, so I'm gonna end it here. I love you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and comment down below what type of videos you want to see next. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.